Now we're going to be removing the headlight. This is going to be the driver's side headlight. This is a 22 GR86, the newer style. We have the front bumper off. I have a video on that. I'll put the link on the bottom. We're using a 10mm socket. Make sure you fully take them out. Take the clip out. There's another clip right here. So 10mm socket. Wiring right here, you gotta remove the clip. Just press both sides and we'll release the... Okay, so that's the headlight bracket. We have two more 10mm on top. Then you have a clip right here. There's the plug. Okay, there it is. You press on this little tab and it releases the headlight. So this is the headlight right here. And this is what it is without the headlight.